Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can restore already deleted files from your iDrive cloud. So let us get started. So head over to iDrive, for example, via the desktop application or the web app and access your cloud drive. So let me go, for instance, with one of these files and delete it for demonstration purposes, like this one here. Select it here into that checkbox to the left, delete it. After that, confirm and move it to the trash folder. Now, if you accidentally deleted a file like that and would like to restore it, guys, all you need to do is access your trash folder here on the left panel, expand it, head over to either backup files or cloud drive files. In this case, we're operating with the cloud. So head over to cloud drive files, select the given file you would like to restore by clicking into the checkbox. But instead of deleting it permanently, guys, simply click into put back here, which is the same as restoring. Confirm by clicking into yes, and that is going to move your file back to your cloud drive folder. So let me show you how this has indeed worked. Let me access the folder, and there you go. As you can see, it's back again. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.